In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Capital.com position size. We'll start by opening the trade window. Log into your Capital.com account, then use the search bar to find the market you want to trade. This could be a Forex pair, a cryptocurrency, gold, an index, or another available asset. Click the asset to open its page. When you're ready to plan your trade, choose your direction. Click Buy if you think the price will rise, or click Sell if you think it will fall. That action opens the trade ticket, where you'll set and review your position size. Inside the trade ticket, look for the field labeled Trade Size or Quantity. This is where you specify how much you want to trade. Depending on the asset, you might enter something like 0.11 or 10 units. Different markets use different conventions, so think of this as the number of units, contracts, or fractions you're committing. If you're unsure about the minimum or the increment allowed, try small adjustments until the field accepts the value. As soon as you type a number, the platform automatically calculates two key figures for you: the margin required and the potential profit or loss. Margin required is the amount of your account balance that needs to be set aside as collateral to open and maintain the position. It's not a fee, and it's not deducted permanently. It's simply the portion of your funds reserved while the trade is active. You'll notice that a larger trade size increases the margin requirement, while a smaller size reduces it. If the platform tells you there's not enough free margin, lower the size until the requirement fits within your available funds. Next, review the potential profit-loss estimate. This is a real-time projection based on your chosen size and the current price, showing how gains or losses scale with position size. It helps you understand the exposure you're taking on. Increase the size and the potential outcomes grow. Decrease it and they shrink. Keep in mind that these numbers update dynamically, so give the ticket a second to refresh after each change. A few helpful tips as you fine-tune. Make sure the quantity you enter matches the way you think about risk. If you're testing a new idea, start smaller and build confidence. Be aware that some assets allow fractional sizes while others require whole numbers. Also, remember that margin and profit loss are shown in your account's currency, and they can vary by instrument and market conditions. When the position size aligns with your plan and the margin looks comfortable, you're set. That's how to use position size on Capital.com with confidence and clarity.